I have a simple question. What do these two buttons do? Instance and class. And if you want to watch Smalltalk or self-destruct, ask them what these two buttons are for. They're right in front of your face. They're plain as day. And, instance side, it has methods. Class side has methods. What's the difference? What's going on? I'm not going to address that question directly. I'm going to talk about something called the system dictionary. And if you have these four words, three of them, because they start with capitals, are going to be seen by the system as the names of classes. Classes all start uppercase. Socket will not. The system will look at that and go, that's not a class. But all of these could be the names of classes, and Smalltalk and Socket are, and Silly isn't. But how does the system know that? It has to take that string, Silly, and go to the system dictionary and ask, is there something called Silly? And if there isn't, then it'll go, well, that's just, I don't know what that is. It's not a class. So here's the system dictionary. And every one of these strings is the name of a class, and it's a global variable. Actually, they're not strings. I'm sorry, they're symbols. We can talk about what symbols are another time. But the point is that each of these tokens is unique. There's Socket. There's Smalltalk. A system dictionary, lots of globals. See, those are all the globals. So it's important to know that classes are identified as globals, and they start with a capital. So let's look for the class box. We don't see it. It would be right there. So let's take this file we built from another video and drop it in. File it in. Then we'll inspect Smalltalk again. The word Smalltalk, which calls up the system dictionary, which has all the global variables. And just to prove that we actually do have, or should expect, a class called box, we'll go to boxes, which we just put in, and there's our class box. So we should see a global variable called box, right? There it is, bingo, box. So that's how the system looks for the names, looks for classes, because they're global variables. But as they're global variables, we can know that classes are unique. You can only have one class and one class name in the system, whereas we can have lots of instances of the same name.